Let me show you one tiny superfood that can transform your energy, your digestion, and even your weight, all at the same time. These are chia seeds, tiny, powerful, and packed with fiber, omega-3, antioxidants, and minerals your body needs every day. Chia seeds absorb water and form a soothing gel. This helps your digestion, keeps your stomach calm, and prevents constipation. Chia seeds slow how fast sugar enters your bloodstream. That means better blood sugar control and fewer cravings. They expand in your stomach and keep you full for longer. That means less snacking and natural weight control without feeling hungry. Chia seeds contain omega-3s, which support your heart, your brain, and your overall mood. Tiny seeds, big benefits. Add 1 tablespoon to water, yogurt, smoothies, or salads. Start small and let your body get used to the fiber. Just remember, start slow, drink enough water, and stick to 1 tablespoon a day. Your body will thank you. Small daily changes make the biggest health transformations. Start simple. Start today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Health Talks for more health-related videos.